Ayo, Surfacer. Welcome to the first ever nature walk video. Okay, as you can see, we have trees, and trees. All right. What else? Yeah. If you didn't know, posted it on Google Plus. I posted on Google Plus that my birthday was on February 1st. So next year, February 1st, okay. So as the first official nature walk video, let's get into this, all right? Aye. So let's just, I gotta say that in the year of January, the month of January, I made a bunch of photos of plants. The animals, they're all hiding. They're all hiding. But I'm gonna play some nice music, and here's a collage of them. Okay, I think I can talk. Okay, so if you don't know, there are about a few dogs, maybe a fox, tons of birds, bugs, and a few owls. Owls, yeah. There's I'm speculating a buried owl. Bear it out. Sorry if I'm not looking you in the cameras. There's just so many animals back. No, okay, you can see now. Look at it. There's a border. You just look up there. Yeah. Pretty cool. I look really weird right now, don't I? I bet you I'm covering the speakers. Yep, okay. Some weird stuff back here. There's a bird just signaling. Trying to see if you can see it. No, I'm gonna zoom in. There you go. Let me say this. Before it rained, this whole lake used to be way further back. Oh, that's that. Let's check it out. You just can't see everything. You just can't. You don't notice it until it's right touching your face. Shall we head that way? Or that way? What's in there? Let me watch. It is scary. There's just one bird, just right above me. Just right above me somewhere. Ooh, a nest. I'll head back there in future episodes. You know what? It has been a long week. I had a party with my fam. You know, it was my birthday. So if you like the series, this is obviously just a demo. You can hear the animals in the background, but I will be posting more whether you like it or not, because I like this. I don't go outside enough. And see you guys next time. Peace out.